Let's see how to insert captions for your equations in Microsoft Word. So first, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see here, we have our document ready. Now, as you can see right now, our equations still don't have captions or titles for each one. Now, what we can do to insert captions is simply highlight one particular equation, go over to the References tab, click on Insert Caption under Captions, and this should open up a new window. Now, under Label, click it, and that should open a drop-down list. Now click on Equation, and you can also select the position to either be above or below the selected item. And right here, under Caption, you can also change the name. Now click on OK, and that should show up under or above your equation. You can also copy this and paste it onto the next one and the following one as well. Now let's go ahead and highlight those and click on Update Field, and that should automatically update the caption for your equations. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.